Hey guys, Roman Ramsey, RB Pressure Washing. You can see this bank, we actually cleaned it maybe not even 6 months ago, but all these spider nests and cobwebs, man, they just get everywhere out here in middle Georgia. So we will be taking care of this once again. I think this is like our maybe 4th year. We're long-time client, always happy, and we'll leave them this way as well, nice and happy. So, all right guys, y'all see it. Man, this is beautiful. Goodness gracious, beautiful. My client will definitely be happy tomorrow morning whenever she comes into work. All right guys, have a good day.